Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be washing the car. So first, obviously, got to fill up the bucket. Bubbles! Filling it up until the bubbles fill. Okay, that'll do. Here we are, the car and the water gun, because we haven't actually got proper cleaning materials for it. Just have to spray it. There we go. One wheel done, and even started on wheel 2. Now we begin wheel 3. Whew! To give you an idea, this is the kind of level wheel I was dealing with. And then I turned that into this. It's not bad if I do say so myself. It's got to be the most satisfying thing ever. The wheels are done, and move on to the rest. Woohoo! This is genuinely causing me a bit of a sweat because it's really hot right now. But the wheels aren't looking too bad. I'm more focused on the interior rather than the tyres. That's not too bad. We're on the roof. Tiny little grates are infuriating. Have to get to each one individually. And that's the car done. Boom. Yeah, it only took me like an hour and a half.